Students of Palawan National School recently participated in a solemn ceremony, retiring worn-out Philippine flags. The event was marked by a deep sense of reverence and respect, as students carefully folded the old flags, preparing them for their final journey. This act underscores the deep respect Filipinos hold for their national emblem. The flag, a symbol of the nation's history and struggles, is treated with the utmost dignity, reflecting the collective pride of the people. The ceremony serves as a reminder of the flag's significance and the proper way to dispose of it. Detailed demonstrations were given showing the correct methods to ensure the flag is honored even in its retirement. The event highlighted the importance of educating younger generations about respecting national symbols. Teachers took the opportunity to explain the history and meaning behind the flag, fostering a deeper understanding among the students. By involving students, the school instilled in them a sense of patriotism and responsibility towards the flag. The hands-on experience allowed students to connect with their national identity in a meaningful way. This ceremony serves as a model for other institutions to emulate. It demonstrates how schools can play a pivotal role in nurturing patriotism and respect for national symbols, ensuring these values are passed down through generations. Republic Act No. 8491, known as the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines, outlines the proper display, use, and disposal of the Philippine flag. This law emphasizes the importance of treating the flag with utmost respect and dignity. The act ensures that the flag is not subjected to any form of disrespect or desecration. It provides clear guidelines on how the flag should be displayed, raised, lowered, and even folded. Section 19 of Republic Act No. 8491 specifically addresses the proper disposal of worn-out flags. This section is crucial as it ensures that the national emblem is treated with the highest respect, even at the end of its service. It states that a flag in such a condition should be destroyed in a dignified way, preferably by burning. This method is chosen to symbolize the respect and honor the flag has earned over its lifetime. This method ensures that the flag is not simply discarded, but given a respectful end. The burning process is a solemn ceremony that reflects the deep respect and reverence for the flag's symbolism and the values it represents. The burning should be done privately and with utmost solemnity. This private setting allows for a more personal and respectful farewell to the flag, away from the public eye. This act signifies the retirement of the flag's service while acknowledging its symbolic importance. It is a moment to reflect on the flag's journey and the ideals it has stood for throughout its service. It is a testament to the reverence Filipinos hold for their national emblem. The ceremony is not just about disposal, it is about honoring the flag's legacy and the pride it has instilled in the hearts of the people. Section 4. A symbol, deserving of reverence. The Philippine flag is more than just a piece of cloth. It represents the nation's history, struggles, and aspirations. Its colors embody the values of courage, peace, and unity that define the Filipino identity. Each element of the flag holds deep meaning. The sun represents liberty, while the 3 stars symbolize the major island groups of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The red stripe signifies the Filipinos' willingness to fight for freedom. Section 5. More than just fabric and color. The flag serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by Filipino heroes who fought for the nation's independence. It embodies the dreams and hopes of every Filipino, both in the past and the present. When we see the Philippine flag waving proudly, we are reminded of our shared heritage and our responsibility to uphold the values it represents. It is a symbol that unites us as a nation. Section 6. Our duty to the flag and the nation. As Filipinos, we have a duty to honor and respect our national flag. It is a symbol of our identity, our history, and our collective aspirations as a nation. The flag represents the struggles and triumphs of our ancestors, and it is a beacon of hope for future generations. We must ensure that it is displayed and treated with the dignity it deserves. This means following proper flag etiquette, such as raising it briskly and lowering it ceremoniously, and never letting it touch the ground. Let us all be vigilant against any form of disrespect towards our national emblem. This includes educating others about the importance of the flag and standing up against actions that demean its value. By understanding the significance of the flag and the proper way to dispose of it, we demonstrate our love and respect for the Philippines. Proper disposal involves a dignified process, often through burning. to ensure that the flag is retired with honor. Let us continue to honor the flag and all that it stands for. In doing so, we not only show our patriotism, but also inspire others to uphold the values and principles that our flag embodies.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.